In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to find NAS100 on Exness. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to exness.com. From here you'll need to log into your account. And once you get inside of the dashboard, you will need to go over to Exness Terminal. Once you're inside of the Exness Terminal, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the instruments over here. You can search for the specific symbol that you want to trade. Then from here, you'll need to go up to the search bar, and then you can click 100. Once you've done that, you'll see the UK 100, you'll see the US 500 or the S&P 500, you'll see the US Tech or US Tech 100. As you can see, the NAS 100 is not suitable for Exness. So the only thing you can really do is either trade from the S&P 500 or Tech 100 or UK 100, or else you'll need to find a specific stock from inside of the NAS 100 to trade from. Let's say Tesla, for example. And then you can buy a Tesla stock, trade up a Tesla stock if you want to do that. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See you.